In this video, we will be installing the check engine light fix kit for the 2024, 25, and 26 Hyundai Elantra N. Our new crankcase ventilation hose assembly eliminates the P04DB check engine light fix that may occur after installing an aftermarket intake. Using your preferred set of pliers, squeeze the hose clamps and remove the breather hose from the fittings on both ends. This factory hose is no longer needed. These model years are equipped with a crankcase pressure sensor, and that sensor must adapt to the new breather hose. Remove the 10mm bolts and lift the wiring pigtail. The new hose includes an adapter block designed to properly regulate airflow into the crankcase pressure sensor. Insert the crankcase adapter block into the sensor, making sure the O-ring is properly seated. The block presses into the sensor and bolts down using the supplied 10mm bolt. Next, reinstall the wiring pigtail into the adapter block. Confirm this O-ring is also seated correctly and secure it with the factory 10mm bolts. Do not over-tighten these bolts, just snug them down until fully seated. Next is the breather hose. It is a direct replacement for the factory hose with one small but important addition. In the center of the hose, there's a small port. For this port to properly be installed, it must be oriented so that it points towards the front of the vehicle. After the new breather hose is installed in the same orientation as the factory hose, it is now ready for all 4 hose clamps to be tightened. Finally, install the supplied smaller hose that connects to the little port in the middle of the breather hose and then attaches to the new crankcase vent adapter block. And that's it. Go take it for a rip and let us know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at csr@sixelement.com. And to keep up to date with what we have going on with new product releases, check out our website, sixelement.com.